Hey YouTube DIYers, welcome to the Living My Left Life DIY Creations channel. My name is Kim and my co-host today is Miko. Today we're going to show you how to make a super cute XO tabletop decor for Valentine's Day. So grab a coffee and let's jump right in, shall we? Right, let's go, Miko. Supplies needed: wooden letters, the X and O, craft paper of your choice, ribbon, tube ribbon, hard rhinestone, red acrylic paint, Mod Podge, scissors, and a box cutter, pipe cleaner, glue gun, and glue sticks. Okay, step 1. With your red acrylic paint, paint 2 good coats on the sides and the back of your letters. Here and here. Okay, let's get started here. Got this sheet just to protect the tablecloth, and here we go. Okay, moving forward, almost done with the second letter. Power of editing. Woohoo. So here we go, almost done. Alright, and let that dry. Okay, so step 2, you're going to lay out your deco paper, and you're going to take your, just line it up like so. Plan on where you're going to lay it down with the design. Okay, so that's done. Now I'm going to take the Mod Podge and just cover the top of the X and the O like so. And then we're going to just stick our paper on the X and O. I made this pattern myself with, the computer and printer paper. But you can also use anything you want. I'm sure Michael's has craft papers. So flip it over. Give it another little press, and now get on to the O. Okay. Oh, thanks. Oh, that's nice. Thanks, Miko. Okay, sorry. Step 3. So you trim around the letters with either your scissors or box cutters. Box cutters are certainly easier, especially for getting in the X here. So I'm using that for a nice clean cut. Miko's helping. Yes, I got this. Okay, fair enough. Yes, he's tired. Anyway, then you just put that aside, keep going. One more. Okay, there's the X done, and then now you just have to do the O. Okay, step 4. Now what you do is you uncover the entire letters, top, sides, and bottom with the Mod Podge and let it dry. Okay, so step 5, now that those are done, put those aside, and we're going to make a miniature bow. That's what I call it, because it's just tiny. So it'll look just like that. So we're going to do that. And I'm just going to do this, try and do it quickly. You can watch the other videos to see where I actually give a bow tutorial and how to do this. But you just fold and fold and fold and fold at your desired length. Give that a snip. So there you have that. Now you're just going to put a little snip on each side. Like that. Just doing a little bit more. There we go. Okay, that's ready to go. I just need to do the tail. So I'll do it about that big or so. Give it a snip. Fold it in half. Now I'm going to do the dovetail ends. Oops. Let's try that again. Other way. Dovetails. Yay, there we go. So I'm going to notch those on either side as well. Okay, and then put it around. Tie the pipe cleaner. Give it a twist. Okay, now we have to attach what I call is the tube ribbon, just to dress up the center of the bow. So I'm just going to cut it into a few pieces. I'm going to open the bow back up, put those in. So 3 pieces will actually end up being 6 pieces across. Now again with the pipe cleaner, and tie the pipe cleaner as tightly as possible and give it a twist again. Open up and fluff out the little bows, little puffs. So there we go. These are too long, so I'm going to just snip these so they don't stick out too far. All right, and then with our glue gun, we are going to attach the little heart rhinestone in the center of that. Once again, I'm going to attach it like that. Okay, so there we go. Give it a little fluff like this. And there we go. Isn't that cute? I know, right? Okay, so step 6, now those are all dried, it's time to take your glue gun and glue the two letters together. Okay, I've decided I'm going to do the attaching at the top and bottom of the X. Yeah, I think so too. Oh well, what can you do? And just press them together, stand them up so you know that the O and the X are going to sit firmly. There we go. I see here and here that there's a little bit of space, so I'm going to just stick some glue in those little cracks just to make sure that they stay firm, like so. Yeah, and there we have it. Now all we have to do is attach the cute little mini bow to the letter O with the pipe cleaner. Give it a little twist and then tuck it in. Give the bow a little fluff if it needs it, and there you go. I know, isn't it though? All done.